Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this is kind of like a surprise video because I actually didn't plan on recording this today, and today it is Saturday, I don't even know what day it is exactly, what date. I think it is the 8th, but I'm not sure. It might be the 9th. I don't know. I think it's the 8th. I'm kind of like all over the place today because I've been filming all day and it's just been really busy and stuff. But today I wanted to share with you my first impressions of the new Catrice Cosmetics Astrology limited edition. So I know that in this limited edition there is a kabuki brush as well as a face palette, but I only got the eyeshadow palette and I haven't seen any, or I think I did see some PR information like coming by in my email, but I haven't opened those yet because I felt like I want this to be the most legit first impressions ever. So I have no idea what the colors look like in this palette, so I just got it, and I actually got a really good deal in store. I got like everything on Essence and Catrice Cosmetics was like the second for half price or something like that. I actually also got a second palette from the Essence Ho 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 collection, and I'm going to give that away really soon. I'm still debating on if I'm going to put that in my 5k subscriber giveaway, which I will host once I reach the 5,000 subscribers, or if I'm going to give away that palette separately from that, maybe a little earlier. But I bought two palettes, so I got the second one for half off. But normally this palette goes for €12.99, or at least in the Netherlands it does. Prices may vary a little bit depending on where you live. I know that we are kind of like the medium range. In Germany I think they are a little bit less expensive, but I do know that in Ireland they might be a little bit more expensive, or at least that's what I've been told. I don't know if that's correct. Please let me know what the prices are where you live. But yeah, let's just quit the rambling and unpack this little one because I haven't opened it. So I actually have to peel it off. And this palette, so I bought it for almost 13 euros. This is one sticky little piece of tape. Damn. And there are like 3 items in this collection, if I'm correct. I'm not sure, but I only saw like a kabuki brush and a face palette next to this eyeshadow palette, so maybe the shelf was already like half empty or something, but that were the only 2 things that I saw. Man, this tape is a pain in the butt. There we go. You'd think that with nails like this you'd be like really easy to get everything off, but it's not. Let's just get rid of that tape. I really dislike it when they tape it, but on the other hand, at least you're sure that no one has put his or her like germy fingers in that yet. And now I'm covered in tape. But this is what it looks like. So it is just a regular cardboard black packaging. It has lovely gold, like all of the bird signs. I am a Libra, so let's just check. Oh, there are actually mirrors in here. That is nice. So there are 2 mirrors, and I'm sorry for the glare, but there are 2 mirrors in here. And I'm just going to try and flip those like a little bit the other way around, because otherwise I'm going to glare everyone out of his little room. Yeah, so that are what the colors look like. So on the top row, they all seem to be very shimmery, or at least kind of. I see that this one is a matte, and I see that this one is a matte as well as these 2. So let me just get rid of this. So that are what the colors look like, and I'm just going to swatch them on my arm for you guys real quick. And let me just check if I can get rid of that glare because it's really annoying. I'm just trying to find something to hold that mirror down with. So there we go. Just put my little notebook on there. So I'm just going to swatch them on my bare skin, so without any primer or anything. Yeah, let's go. They feel kind of powdery. It doesn't look that bad. That's the first, really shimmery. These are like really soft colors. And because I am that pale, I'm actually questioning if you can see these colors. But that are the first like 4. I'm not impressed yet, but let's continue with the second row. I do have to say that compared to Essence Cosmetics, Catrice is like a little less good in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. If you're like, girl, what are you blabbing? Just let me know. Focus, please. So that's the second row. So there's one matte color. Oh, that's not too bad. They're really, really chalky. I'm just going to get rid of some of that excess. So yeah, the second row is a little bit better. So they don't really have names, they just have like the star signs, which I'm not sure which is which. I'm Gemini because my husband is a Gemini. I know that is Libra because I'm a Libra. This is a Leo. And the others, I actually am not sure. I do know how to call them in Dutch, but I don't know how to call all of them in English. Ooh, that is a really soft one. Ooh, wow. And then the matte. There's a nice black one. That is really soft and really shimmery. That would be beautiful on like the lid for a little extra sparkle. Ooh. Okay, let's blow a little bit of that excess off. So that is what all colors look like, and I do have to say I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm not like really over the top or over the moon excited about these as I was of the Essence Ho 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 limited edition eyeshadow palette, because that one was just bomb. It was less expensive. There were only 9 colors in there, but all colors were like amazing. And these, I'm not really sure what I think about them. I have to say that I do like these 3. I think these would look beautiful combined together. These are just really neutral but super shimmery, so I wouldn't use these as a transition color or anything like that. I think they're just really bland. This would be a nice one for the crease, but it's a little bit dark, as well as this one. I think this one would be really nice to build up a little bit of depth in the outer V, as well as this one. But seeing that color and that swatch, that is pretty disappointing in my opinion. But hey, I'm just being a little bit critical because I have so many awesome palettes which actually cost less. For instance, the I Heart Makeup or I Heart Revolution palettes are amazing, especially the I Heart Chocolate ones. They are really, really good, and they cost about $9 or something, and this palette was almost $13. Let's just put it to 13 euros. I think it's a little bit disappointing. I do think it is a nice palette to use like daily, but I don't know. If I had to choose between my favorite palette, which is the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and this one, I know the Urban Decay is like almost 4 times as expensive as this one, but it is my favorite, and the like quality is way better. I do like that they came out with a bigger palette, because most of the time when there are limited editions, they don't come in a range of 12 colors. They only come in like a range of like 4 colors or something like that. So I do like that. I really like the shimmery tone in here. I like this one because that one is pretty opaque. Yeah, I actually just like these 3. Those are the ones I really like. I do like the fact that there is a matte one you could use to give some more depth and build up a little bit more to make it a little smoky. But the top row is just meh. They could have just skipped that for me personally, because those are like really light colors. They're not like blending colors because there's too much shimmer in there. Or at least that's my opinion. If you think otherwise, do let me know in the comments down below. I'm always like really curious to see what you guys think. If you agree with me or maybe you disagree, just tell me what you think and why. Would I recommend this palette? It depends on what you're looking for in a palette. I think 13 euros could get you way better quality. I wouldn't say it would get you more colors, but it would get you like better quality in like less colors. But I would never use all colors at once anyway, so I would just go out and see if you can still get the Essence Ho 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 limited edition or trend edition eyeshadow palette, because that one was bomb. I've been using that a lot, and I just think that's a way more festive palette than this one. But oh man, I got like the black matte eyeshadow everywhere because it's kind of chalky. So even though I just went in with bare skin and swatched it on bare skin, you would need a heck of a primer to get this like working for you, at least in my opinion. I have to say that these shimmery tones, apart from the top row is just nah. I'm not into that, but I really do like these colors which have a little bit more shimmer. They are pretty soft and have like fallout and stuff, but I think they do look really festive, especially for this time of year. And I'm definitely going to see if I can make a look with these 3 colors and maybe deepen it up a little bit with that matte shade and that matte shade to make it kind of like a smoky, dusty rose kind of look with a little bit of sparkle. For 13 bucks, I'd say skip it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you find this first impressions like video helpful. I will definitely try to see if I can work with it and just let you guys know on Instagram or something like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in a next video.